Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make bold text on LinkedIn. This is a great way to make your posts stand out in the feed, grab attention, and highlight important words, especially useful if you're promoting a product, a sale, or an update for your Shopify store. So it's very simple. So for example, you want to create a new post. So click on Start New Post, and you want to make your text bold so it pops more when people are scrolling. So how you can do this, let's say I want to make this hello bold. So you need to go to docs.google.com, so basically Google Docs, and here you need to type your word, or you can type a sentence or whatever you want. You can basically copy this text and just paste it here. This works because Google Docs supports rich text formatting. And then you can select your text, which you want to make bold, and then click on this B icon, which says bold. Now your text is visually bold inside Google Docs. What you need to do now is select it and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste it on LinkedIn. LinkedIn keeps that formatting when you paste it. So as you can see, this is how you can make bold text. It's a simple trick, but it can make your posts look more professional and easier to read. So if you want to make everything bold or bright, bold on LinkedIn, you can do it. You can do it copy just this bold text, paste it here, and now when I'm going to type something, everything is going to be bold, as you can see. This is helpful if you want an entire headline or offer to stand out. So, and one more thing. If you want to make bold text on your experience section, so let's say I'm going to choose experience here, and I would like to make maybe some description. So as you can see here, it doesn't work. So you can't make bold text in your experience. LinkedIn only allows this trick in posts, not in profile sections like experience. Thanks for watching. Small details like formatting can make a big difference in how your content performs, especially when you're trying to get eyes on your Shopify store or offers. If this tip helped you, give the video a quick like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more simple, practical tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.